Today, 5 Hanoi rice transformations, no shortcuts.
First stop, the market for today's rice. Hanoi wakes up here.
Each grain behaves differently in the pot.
Dạ vâng.
Nếp for sticky rice, morning comfort.
This topping makes xôi xéo xinh.
Let's chase steam. This is Hanoi's sunrise in a bowl.
Look at that silky layer.
Crunch is the first flavor.
Ngon quá. Sticky, buttery and calm.
Món này có gì đặc biệt ạ?
Tất cả là nhờ hơi nước và nguyên liệu tươi ngon. Quán mình bán bao đời nay rồi.
Same corner, same rhythm, every day.
A little sour keeps it bright.
Now, rice turns into silk.
Watch how thin it gets.
It's like wrapping air.
That shine is pure rice.
Hands faster than my eyes.
Silky sheets. Savory bite.
Just a kiss of sauce. Soft, then instantly gone.
Hanoi's breakfast has its own music.
This bowl is all about layers.
Rice, now turned into threads.
Every topping has a job. Clear broth, big aroma. It looked like a map. Light touch, always. It's clean, but it stays with you.
Em gửi chị. Cảm ơn.
Cảm ơn.
Hanoi manners are part of the flavor.
Now we leave the pho toward the rice craft.
Rice tastes different outside the city.
So gentle it almost disappears.
This keeps the comb fresh. It looks wonderful.
Wrapped like a secret.
It tastes like a breeze. Three forms down, 2 to go.
Listen, that crust is calling.
Okay, this is the moment. You can smell the clay. That's the treasure.
Crispy outside, soft inside.
Rice always needs a good partner.
Listen to that. Dạ đây, dạ.
That toasted rice flavor, so Hanoi.
Five forms, but we're not done eating.
Now we chase the night's warmest bowl.
This is Hanoi's late night blanket.
Rice turns into velvet.
Pepper first, always.
Hot, soft, and comforting.
Cảm ơn chị.
Ăn đi em.
Night food feels like family.
Rain makes everything taste warmer.
Rice can even become a jacket.
So tight, so neat.
That sound is irresistible.
Crisp, shell, fresh herbs, done.
Wow. This crunch is pure joy. Hanoi nights have their own soundtrack.
One more bowl, then dessert. And dessert.
Different cut, different feeling.
The aroma hits first.
Simple, precise, confident.
That broth. So clean.
Everyone eats like they've done this forever.
Now, rice becomes dessert. Green rice, soft and sweet.
Perfect after salty bowls.
This is how Hanoi ends.
Cả nhà.
A real day ends at the family table.
Nothing gets wasted here.
That wok sound is pure comfort. Each grain stays itself.
This is the real Hanoi luxury.
Rice tastes best with people.
Tomorrow's rice is a legend. Not tomorrow, right now, the next rice legend begins.
We're chasing a rice cake tradition.
This village wraps Hanoi's Tet pride.
The leaf is part of the flavor.
Three simple parts, one big story.
Square, sharp, perfect corners.
Rice becomes architecture.
That knot is confidence.
This isn't cooking, this is a ritual.
Hours of patience in one sound.
That smell. Pure north.
Layers you can actually see.
Sticky, savory, and proud.
Now, street breakfast again.
Rice pressed into a pillow.
Soft outside, chewy heart.
Perfect for walking Hanoi. Chewy rice as clean pork. Simple win.
Same rice, endless personalities.
Hanoi turns rice into a gift. Sticky, green, and festive.
Sweet but never loud.
This is Hanoi hospitality.
Now rice becomes comfort pudding.
So soft it trembles.
Savory layers again.
Silky and deeply cozy.
Everyone has a rice comfort.
Sang bún, new personality.
Tangy, warm, and bright.
That sour note wakes the rice.
Quick run, watch the details.
These greens change everything. Let's count our rice forms.
Hanoi is a rice universe.
Three signature flavors. Watch.
Our seasoning.
One last sweet bowl next. This is Hanoi's sweet winter hug. Rice turns into chewy pearls. Ginger and rice perfect together.
Is calm, not loud.
Listen to that gentle boil.
Every form carries a different mood. From steam,
Clean savory, gentle tang, fragrant crunch.
Even the signs feel like home.
Cô ơi, cho phép cháu quay phim một chút được không ạ?
Được chứ, cháu cứ tự nhiên nhé.
A little respect opens every door.
same city, infinite rice.
Which rice of when? Which rice form would you eat first?
Save this map for your next Hanoi bite.
Hanoi tastes gentle if you slow down.
Crunch, steam, chew.
The next bite.
Thank you cô. Chúc anh tay đem nó mời chiều ngồi, tôi mời ông với luôn. Cái ngà lâm tăng thiệp vậy.
Hanoi sleeps after rice.
Rewatch if you missed a form. Respect the hands behind the food.
Clean hands, happy eating.
Tell me your Hanoi rice memory.
It all starts with a grain.
Good night, Hanoi.
Subscribe for more Regional Bite.